Did you hear? Did you hear?
Did?
You?
Here?
Did you hear?
Sound the alarm! November 14th at 5 p.m. at the SDA Church of the Oranges. You better be there because we are sounding the alarm. We have Raynard Joseph from Norman Road, Emmanuel Desarmi from Bethlehem French, Natalie Burrell from our own Church of the Oranges, and don't forget Elder Joseph from Jersey City, and our moderator Clint Brown. Sound the alarm! What's the topics? What's the topics? We have Christian education. Is it for you? I don't know. It wasn't for me. Philosophy versus religion, or is it philosophy and religion? Does church really feel like home? I think it does. Separation of church and state, and then one of our hot topics, last day prophecy. So sound the alarm! Listen up, you better be there November 14th at 5 p.m. SDA Church of the Oranges. Be there.
I'll be there. Will you be there? Save the date. Don't be late. Make sure you're there.